Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Nissan Frontier headlight bulb. First, gather your new headlight bulb and any necessary tools, like a screwdriver or a wrench, depending on your model. Always make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool to the touch before you begin. This ensures your safety and prevents any accidental burns or electrical issues. Next, open your Nissan Frontier's hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see the wiring harness connected to the bulb. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it straight off. Sometimes, a small twist or a gentle wiggle helps release it. Now, you'll need to remove the retaining clip or twist off the dust cover, depending on your specific headlight design. Once that's done, carefully pull out the old bulb. When inserting the new bulb, handle it by its base and avoid touching the glass. Oils from your skin can significantly reduce the bulb's lifespan. Before you fully reassemble everything, turn on your headlights to ensure the new bulb is working correctly. Once confirmed, reattach any dust covers or retaining clips and secure the headlight assembly back into its position. Finally, close your vehicle's hood. You've successfully changed your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.